Okay. Today our topic is packaging. Okay, beta. Today's topic is packaging in business study. Okay. Packaging is for the sending of the product, or saying for the modelize of the product, we are taking one layer after the product, that is called packaging. Or in other words, you can say the label, the second wrappers or second production area up to the product, that is called packaging. This is different type of packaging is there. One is the primary packaging, secondary and third, okay, for transportation. First packaging after the product, just after the product, what packaging is there, that is the primary packaging. Okay, beta, as like that you have the soap, and on the soap one label and then packet. That packet is primary packaging. And then that different 10, 20, 80 soap we are taking in a box, that is the secondary packaging. And when we are going to send or distribute these all soap or this product to other places, for that we are making it a bundles, or in gattas we are going to use some big size of packet we are used. That is called transportation packaging. That is depend on the size and system of the product. Okay, beta. Somewhere they are taking the big size of box, steel box. Somewhere they are using the just rough box. Okay, cartoons or big size of steel box. That all will utilized in coming on the transport packaging. Okay, beta, clear? Three type of packaging is there: primary, secondary, and transportation. Okay, next is function of packaging. Just think about that. After the seeing of that packaging, what you are thinking? One is safety. Second, you are getting the information about the things. Third, you are easily identify the things. Is there or not? Just see the packaging. You say, okay, this thing is safe. If good packaging, you are thinking about that. If this thing is safe, I think this product is safe. Okay, just seeing the packet and well understand what is this, or what is inside of this package. His name, his quality, information about the packet, weight, rate, and other things. These all you are easily getting by the packaging. And these are what? These are the function of packaging. Okay, beta? Clear? The first function is protection. Means by the packaging we are going to protect the goods or product. Well known about the many type of packaging coming. For the television, some smart type of packaging is coming, because that is the glass. Any pair of touch is there, then glass will broken. Okay, some soap, liquid, oils, different type of packaging is there. Okay, beta, and that all will done for the safety of that type of product. Okay, beta, clear? Next, identification. Just seeing the just packet and you will understand what is this. This is soap, this is liquid, this is oil, that is any other things. Just seeing his packet. It's easy or not? Easy na beta? Just seeing the TV, packet of TV, you will want, oh, this is the TV. Just seeing the soap packet, okay, this is the soap. And after that, this is soap, then identify which type of soap this is. That is also. That too. Easy or not? It's a soap. Many types of soap is there. But by the seeing the different packet, we will understand what type of soap is there. Or not? Means that packaging is helping to identify the product also. Next. Convenience. If we are giving the product without the packaging to you, beta, you are not able to take that product to other places. Oil, they are coming in box, different box. Then easy to wear it. Is that not? Okay? Some oil is coming on the plastic packet, some oil is coming on the steel packet, box packet, that tin box. There are not. That is what? That is easy to carry. Okay? Like some box is coming like that. That this and the one handle is there for easy to hold. Why that making? Because you are easy carry it. Means that packaging is helping to carrying that one things, that goods, that product. Okay, beta? Next. Promotion also. Good type of packet. Just seeing the very good type of packet. That are also given like an advertisement, promotion. Oh, very good type of packet is there. Okay, I am going to purchase this. Because looking good. Looking good is also like a promotion, like an ad. Because looking good, then जो दिखता है that is बिकता है. That word is coming there. Whatever you are showing for your product, on the basis of that your product will sell. Next.
Rising standard of
Rising. What type of packaging is there? What type of thing is there? That is also showing like a his product label, goodwill. In the village part, same type of spice they are packing in a simple packet. And same type of spice packing by the company in the different type of packet. By that packet is saying, okay, this is the standard of the company because it's in the company. And but that second thing is making by the local person, so that is not the standardable things. Means that packaging is also creating your standard and presenting your standard also. What type of company is standard? Good packet, good packaging, good type of packaging, safe. Then it means your company will in a good position. Next.
self-service outlets.
Self-service outlet. Okay. Now this new thing is coming. Not exact new, 5-10 years bags. Outlet is there. Before that you are going to general stores, can you 1 kilo this, that 2 kilos that, like that now. And nowadays all the packet is coming. 1 kilo, 2 kilos, and 2 kg, 5 kg, 8 kg, 200 gram, 500 gram packet is there. Go and take your packet. This is all to convene and just take your things very easily. Self, mall, mart. These are what? These are the working on this concept. And that is very easy to attain the more and more customer by the less person. Only 2 or 3% is there. 100+ % is coming in your store. Easily they are going to take his own things and then coming on the counters. Bill is there, billing is there, then go. No one is busy to the attending you. You means customer. If any problem is there, that is other things. Okay? Next.
Product differentiation.
Product differentiation. That I am saying that many type of same product. Soap. Many type of soap is there. Television. Many type of television is there. Oil. Many type of oil is there. But by the packaging, you are easily to differentiate the product. Good, bad, by the name, by the qualities. You are easily differentiate the product by the utilizing of packaging. Next.
Innovational opportunities.
Yes. Just you are seeing nowadays toffees, different type of toffees. The toffee is not new. Only packaging is there. Seeing or not?
Yes, sir.
Different of packet. Like an egg, like a toy. Open the toy, then inside is toffee is there. Toffee value is only 2 or 3 rupees. By the packaging, his cost will increase. And a small child is like that, they are not like the toffees, they are like that things, that toys, that packaging. Okay, beta, this is also like a promotion, and that is the innovation. We're thinking like that, if we are presenting these toffee on this way, so maybe children will more attractive for this. And that's real is that? Nowadays everyone like this toffee, this toy, this thing we will get. Next.
Next topic.
Next is what?
Labeling.
Labeling. Labeling is not next topic, that is coming in the same topic. Labeling. In this packaging, one label is there on which we are giving the all, we are this company, giving the all information about that product, that is called labeling. Information like manufacturing date, product years, rate, MRPs, what things we are utilizing in this product. These all entered or these all written on that label, that is called labeling. Labeling means that label that is utilizing on up to that bundle or that product for the giving the different type of information. Okay, beta. Next.
Labels perform following functions.
Okay.
Features of labeling.
different type of things. All the information about the product, beta, we can search or we can get by the label only. Okay, by the label only. First is
Describe the product and specify its content.
product and specified content. What type of product is there? What thing we are going to utilize for the product? What thing we are going to use for the making of this product? His weight, his value, all the things given on that label. Next.
Identify the product.
More things. By the seeing of that label, you can easily identify that product. Okay, what is this? Next.
Helps in grading.
Helps in grading. By the label. Grading means 200 gram level is different, 100 gram is level different, 1 kg level is different, 2 kg level is different. And by that, we are easy to different all the label. Next.
Promote sale.
Promotes and same. As like a bundling is promoting, same way labeling also. What type of label you are making, what type of content you are using for that labels, these all are promoting yourself. Next.
Providing information required by law and legal requirement.
Law and legal. Some information is legally given to the bound for the giving the information to the public. His manufacturing date, MRP, and what type of things they are going to use for making of that things better. This is like a bounded. You are bounded for the presenting this type of information. Okay. Next.
Price.
Okay. Next. Revise it, then go for the next.